Good time. How are you, everybody, cadet? I think you everybody are well. You staying at home for a long time because of worldwide corona epidemic. As a result, your education is being disrupted. To recover your loss, we have arranged online class instead of traditional class. Dear cadets, this is first class with you, so I am going to introduce myself with you. I am Alamin, instructor, Borishal Cadet College. Today I discuss from ICT textbook of class 7, chapter 2. Our topic is computer-oriented device. To know, to execute any operation, execute any work, some instrument and some steps may be followed. Like another computer, it needs some special device, that is input device, output device, memory device, processing device. To see the diagram of computer working process, at first computer take input from user, then it's processed according to the demand of output. After processed, the data may be stored in a storage device and give to the output device. Okay, cadets, now we show a video on computer working process. Okay, thank you, Cadet, to watching the video. Now we are going to start details description of input device with example. Input device. We have already told that the device that is used to give instruction to the computer, give command to the computer is called input device. It is in computing, an input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signal to an information processing system such as a computer or information appliance. Example of input device: keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, joystick. In short, we can tell the description of input device. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer. Okay, now we show the example of input device. First, keyboard. Keyboard is mostly used input device in our country. The concept of keyboard comes from typewriter. We give the command of letter, alphabet, number, a special key by using keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter character function into the computer system by pressing button. It is primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains key for individual letter, number, function, and a special letter. Next, mouse. Mouse is also input device. It has basically two types of button, left button and right button. And there is also a scroll. We can move the cursor by using a scroll of mouse. Okay. Next, a scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, poster, magazine pages, and similar source of computer editing and display. So we can, by a scanner, capture photographic prints, poster, and convert into a display system. Next, microphone. Microphone is also input device. We can capture sound and we can listen sound from device, from computer device by using microphone. Next, joystick. In computer, a joystick is a cursor control device used in computer games and assistive technology. The joystick, which got its name from the control stick used by a pilot control the elevators of an airplane. Next. Okay, we have already discussed some description of input devices. Now we are going to start description of output device. Output device. An output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projection, or physical reproduction. That means we can tell the device that is used to get output. It may be sound or it may be printed. So we can tell the definition of output device is it is a device by which we can get output. Output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Human readable form to know the information that is for human, that is expected result, so it can be human readable or human realization form. Example of output device: monitor, printer, plotters, speaker. Okay, next we see the image of various types of output device. Output device number one, monitor. Monitor is an electronic visual computer display that includes a screen, circuit, and another mechanical component. We can see the output by using monitor. There are various types of monitor in our country. CRT monitor, that is cathode ray tube, LCD monitor, liquid crystal display, and LED monitor, light emitting diode. Next, printer. If you want to print any information from computer, printer is needed. There are various types of printer: laser printer, inkjet printer, and another. So we can tell the definition or description of printer. Printer is a device that is used to print information from computer. Next, speaker. It is also most commonly used output device in our country, not only in our country but also whole world. If you want to listen any sound, you need a speaker. A speaker is also commonly used. Okay, dear cadets, we have already discussed about computer-oriented device, that is input and output device. Next time we will discuss another topic from your textbook. Okay, I am going to assignment to give you. Every cadet, you write short note on keyboard, mouse, printer, and speaker and submit to me. Dear cadets, it is time of worldwide corona epidemic. So be care, protect yourself, protect your society, protect your country. You can reduce the possibility of infection of COVID-19. For this reason, you take some precautions. Number one, wash your hand with soap and water at least 20 seconds after every 2 hours. Precaution 2, maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. If you want to go out for any emergency reason, if possible, wear PPE. Otherwise, you may wear a mask, hand gloves, and another. Refrain from go to public gathering. That is, avoid to going to crowded places. At last, keep up to date on latest information about COVID-19 from trusted source like World Health Organization, Johns Hopkins University, and Worldometer. Okay, so stay home, be safe. Thank you, everybody.